number one, Peter buys X sweets and Mary buys 6 sweets. Write down in terms of X the total number of sweets they buy. So when you want to work out the total of something, we think about adding, don't we? So in this case, because Peter's got X, Mary's got 6, we will add them together, yeah? Now, if we knew exactly how many sweets Peter had, we could work out the total, couldn't we? So if Peter had 10, Mary's got 6, we get 16. So we can see that there. But in this case, because we are told Peter just has X sweets, then we just need to leave it like that, okay? An expression where we have X plus 6, and that's our answer. With B, it says rulers cost 25 pence each. Write down in terms of Y, the cost of Y rulers. Now, suppose I went to the shop to buy a ruler for everyone in my class, and I had 30 people in my class. Think about how I'd work out the total cost. Of course, I would do 25 pence times 30 people, wouldn't I? Yeah. But in this case, I need to times it by Y, because we told we were buying Y rulers. So that would be the expression there, right? 25 times Y. And of course, in algebra then, we stick the number and letter together. And then in C, it says a car is B meters long and the second car is 2 meters shorter than it. Write down in terms of B, the length of the second car. So if something's shorter, it's going to be less, isn't it? So think about what we're going to do to B to work out the length of the second car. Because it's shorter, we need to take something away from B, don't we? In this case, we need to take away 2. It's just like height, isn't it? So suppose I'm 5'10", and somebody standing beside me is 2 inches shorter. Well, to work out their height, I would need to take my height, which is 5'10", and take away 2. In this case, it's the same sort of principle, but the length of the car is B meters, and we need to take away 2 from it. So in 2 then it says a magazine costs N pounds. Write in terms of N the cost of 6 magazines. So we're multiplying here, yeah, 6 times M, so 6M. Here it says Louise weighs X kilograms. Imrana is 4 kilograms lighter, so she weighs less. So think about what we've got to do to Louise's weight. Because it's less, we need to take away 4, yeah? And that will give us the weight of Imrana. 3 then, a book costs B pounds. In a sale, the book is half price. Right, in terms of B, the sale price of the book. So if we're halving the price, we literally are dividing it by 2, okay? And that's how we need to write it, yeah, in algebra, like a fraction. So half of B divided by 2. In the second one, Jack's height, it says, is X centimetres. Asif is 4 centimetres taller. So if we start with Jack, because he's 4 taller, we need to add this time, yeah? We need to add 4 on to give us his height. Okay, in 4 then, it says a book costs £7. Write down the cost of N books. So if I bought 10 books, it would be £7 times 10, yeah? In this case, it's N books, so 7 times N, which would be 7N. The length then of a bus is X meters. A car is 4 meters shorter. Write the length of the car in terms of X, so it's less than the bus. The bus is X, the car is going to be 4 shorter, so we take away 4. In 5 then, a sweet weighs W grams. Write down in terms of W the weight of 10 sweets. So we're going to multiply that by 10, yeah, and we get 10 W. 2 then, it says a boy is 6 years older than his brother. One of the boys is X years old. Write down, in terms of X, the 2 possible ages of his brother. Well, if his brother is 6 years older, okay, now suppose this brother here is X years of age, and the boy is 6 years older, and of course we'd need to add on 6, wouldn't we? Yeah? But it says 2 possible ages, because we could also have the situation where actually maybe the boy is X years old, okay? And if he's 6 years older than his brother, to get his brother's age, well, his brother's going to be 6 years younger, yeah? So we need to take away 6.